Sometimes in life you need a plan A and a plan B. Plan A this week was for me to go down to England, but because of the disruption caused by the severe weather, we've had plan B, which is to stay local. So enjoy my pictures of train scenes around Lenzie, Glasgow Central and Coatbridge, Sunnyside. Thank you very much. The North British Railway built a line from here to Coatbridge to take coal from the colliery to the steelworks. This bridge is visible from the Glasgow to Edinburgh main line. Bad weather forecast again, so let's pop into the city centre to see what's happening. Severe weather warning today. Train to Oban and Aberdeen cancelled, and Inverness as well, I think. And not many passengers on Queen Street station. Let's just scan round. Not many passengers at all. In fact, I think there's more gate line staff than passengers, but there we are. He's having a nice walk. Let's go to Central, see what's happening there. Another public safety display on Central Station, courtesy of British Transport Police. Lovely. Here we go. Pendolino unit called City of Lichfield, leaving Glasgow Central, 10:38. And this is Scott, another one of my fellow YouTubers, who's just on a secret mission, probably sleeping on the floor of a train somewhere going to Istanbul or Leningrad. Sorry. Sandwiched between two trains, wow. Platform 3 at Glasgow Central, and here comes an HST. That lift. Who's going to go first? Oh, here we go. Not Penny the Pendolino. And here comes the HST. very windy today, so I'm stood behind the screen. It's always windy here.
One will be the 1539 service to Lenzie Central.
And after that train has gone, a train going the other way should go around the curve to Whifflet, which is an unusual movement. Let's see what happens. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to buy me a coffee as a reward for making these lovely films, please see the link here to Ko-fi.